Good morning everybody. Welcome back to another long run vlog. I'm just trying to remember which contact lens goes in each eye. It is currently 8 minutes past 8 on a very cold Saturday. That's a lie, on a very cold Sunday morning. And I have 22 minutes to get ready and out of the door. I could not be bothered to get up any earlier. So here we are, 8 minutes past 8. It's now 9 minutes past 8. Trying to rush to get out the door. But yeah, welcome back to another long run vlog. It's so great being blind. Also, little PSA, do not forget your sun cream every single day. Protect your skin. I put factor 50 on every single day because I have such pale skin anyways. But yeah, don't forget your sun cream. Anyway, let's quickly get dressed. I'm gonna quickly check the weather. It is 3, feels like -1. And it's forecast to snow tomorrow, Tuesday and Thursday. Stunning. Is this Paul Van Dyke remix? So good. Right, Kate, Sweaty Betty sports bra. I think this might be the Power sports bra. I've got Fast and Free leggings. Sweaty Betty, I think this is called the Breathe Easy long sleeve running top. I'm gonna put a race top on as well, just over that, and then Lululemon BBL jacket. Stunning. Amazing. The 5k in. Abby boshed everyone on the hill for actually 4.5, but once you walk to the end it's 5, so 1.6k. It's slippy, and these shoes have olive zero grip on them, and I've only slipped once, so take that as a win actually. Would you? I've slipped 0 times. I only slipped at the top of the hill. When I was telling you it was slippy, so I think you what? When I was telling you it was slippy, so I think I just... I actually didn't hear you telling me it was slippy. But yeah, okay, and it's quite a nice morning actually. Nice and sunny. It's actually nice running weather, don't you think? Yeah. Lush. It's talking about the weather. How British. How British. I was waiting for it fast to come in. When a morning is like this, how can you not want to run? Honestly, let this be a sign. Get up early and get out and enjoy this. Honestly, one big smile on my face, although my bum is hurt. Just ignore it. But yeah, 6k in. Quick maths. 9k left to go. I could well finish now, but 9k left to go. So 11k in. And I'm pooped. My left bum cheek is hurting so bad. it's kind of my hip. I think it's my IT band. And I just feel like my battery levels are on about 1%. But yeah, we're gonna finish it. I have to. I have no other way to get home, so yeah, I'll keep going. See if I can catch up with them and try and move. I've just necked some drumstick squashies. A bit of sugar. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I've got the tiniest bit left. I ran most of it. I tucked in behind my mum and just aimlessly followed her. Oh my days. Almost done. I am pooped. I need a Diet Coke. There's only one thing for this and it's Diet Coke. But yeah, let's get the rest of it done. So we are back from running. I thought I would quickly give you the lowdown of today's run. So we did. Here are the stats. So we ran 9.33 miles, which I believe is just about bang on 15k, at 11 minute 11 minute miles, with an average heart rate of 165. Although I must admit, I feel like my heart rate was a lot higher than that. It just felt like I just felt so tired. My IT band just felt so tight, which I need to take as my reminder to start doing some more weights, which is definitely my goal for the next coming week. But yeah, 15k still ran, still pretty decent, and another pretty decent mileage week. I think that brings me up to 37k for the week, I want to say, which I'm pretty happy with. 32.14 last week was 30, so yeah, 2k increase, I'll take that. I want to keep building next week. The highest I've got to so far is 40, so if I can have around another 40k week, that would be absolutely excellent, just to try and get a little bit of fitness pre-marathon training, which, don't you worry, I'm going to share all of that with you, which kicks off at the very start of January. So yeah, another lovely run, although defos felt like just under-fueled today. I don't know if I just didn't take on fuel early enough, because I feel like my sweet spot is around like 7k, 45 minutes ish, and I didn't until over an hour, I think, which, yeah, obviously you're supposed to take on fuel before you think you need to take on fuel, but as I say, I'm not really training for anything, so I'm kind of just like chill about my runs and everything like that. It's obviously going to change once it comes to marathon training season, and I'd be taking gels with me, etc. But I think it's just nice to not eat gels when you don't have to. They're not like the nicest thing ever. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Another strong week. I think since I've started sharing my running on here, I've had some absolutely class weeks of training. The only week, I think I ran 3 miles the week I was in London, which like I'm not really too bothered about, but I think every other week bar that week I've ran over 20k, I want to say, which, yeah, as I say, I will take. Pretty happy with that. Long may it continue. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe. Ready for marathon content starting in January. Anyway, thanks so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.